How to flip and rotate a video in CapCut. Let's get started. First of all, open up CapCut and import a video that you would like to flip or rotate in CapCut. Once you import a video and you land on this edit page, now all you have to do is tap on your video from your timeline. Once you get that, swipe the menu bar at the bottom of this interface to your left. Now from this menu bar, search for an option that says transform and then tap on it. After that, you will have this option as rotate, mirror or resize. Now, to flip your video, all you have to do is tap on this mirror, and with that, your video will be flipped from left to right and from right to left. Now, if you would like to rotate your video, there is a rotate option, tap on it, and with that, your video will be rotated. So that's how you can rotate or flip a video in CapCut, and that's all for today's video. If this video helps you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.